Welcome back to the chicken coop. This is Self-Defense Chicken Coop Series 2. So if you're just tuning in, this is the first time you've watched us. That's great, fantastic, thanks a lot. We need all the views we can get, we need a lot of likes, and we need a lot of subscribers. But more importantly, you probably need to go back to the beginning of Series 1 because it will be a much easier version of what we're doing today. Today, like I said, is video 1 in Series 2. You remember back in Series 1, Video 1, we were doing the no, let me go, 1, 2. For our punching now, we used to go like this. Now, we're coming around and we're doing side on with 1 foot forward. Now, if you're right-handed, this is the opposite to boxing, okay? Boxing would be, if you're a right-handed person, you jab with your left, okay? This is the opposite to boxing, it's self-defense. We want the quickest punch we can possibly do, we want the most powerful punch we can possibly do, and we want to get out of there. So if you're right-handed, it's going to be right foot forward, right leg forward. If you're left-handed, it's left foot forward, left hand forward, okay? And both your hands will come back up to your face, and you're going, no, let me go. Go, and it's 2 punches with that hand into here.
No, let me go.
That's it. And then off you go. Okay, so that's more advanced from what we're doing. And now it's 2 punches like you were doing, and then the right foot comes up to a kick to the grind. You got to look scared.
No, let me go.
Okay, that was a great knee to the grind, but it's a kick. No.
No, let me go.
Okay, you're still too close. You can't get the full reach of your punch into my mitt. Okay? So if I put my mitt back here, you can't reach now. So be able to set your distance. It's what we're learning here. Okay? Series 2, guys, it's a lot harder than Series 1. I know my wife's already struggling, okay? But we've got to make it harder because the person out there in the street is not going to make it easy for you, okay? So set your distance, turn your shoulders side on, put your hands right up beside your face. No, let me go.
No, let me go.
1, 2, good kick, good. Now that person's let you go, okay? If you're kicking the bottom of the bag, it's like cement because this one's got sand in it, it hasn't got hair. The white ones have hair, this one's got sand. So when you punch him out of the eyes, okay, or her, okay, I've got my hands up. No, let me go. 1, 2, bang! Okay, and then you go. This isn't a fight, it's not a boxing match. It's, because this is only part of the technique, guys.
No, let me go.
And you were right, she wasn't turned side on, but it's a lot to learn at the beginning, okay? That's why we're starting Series 2. Okay, if we did all this from Series 1, which is what I'm telling you, if you haven't done Series 1, it's way a lot to learn, okay? Now, is 2 aggressors, okay? She has one in front of her who's doing all the talking, okay? And she's got one behind who's got her by the shoulder. Now, please don't take this as this is the way to get out of a shoulder hold, that we're just putting 2 people in. He could have a bear hug around you. You've already learned how to get out of that. He could have the bear hug that's underneath and have a hold of you. He could have a hair pull going on from behind you and you know how to get out of it. Okay, that's because you've done Series 1. This one, we never did in Series 1 at all, was just the shoulder hold. He's holding you while the other person is standing in front of you and saying, you're coming with us and we're going to have a good time. Okay? So that's what's happening here. So I'm going to face my wife towards the person who's talking, the bag. You're going to do the 2 punches and the kick to the grind, but first you have to get rid of me, who's holding you, okay? So I'm only going to be like a hand in the camera, but it doesn't matter. So your hand, right or left, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is the hand that she has a hold of me with, and it's really good that she's done that. She's right-handed, she's used her right. She could have used any, but it's really good that she chose the right because I'm just going to put my left foot backwards, which is the opposite to the hand that she's got a hold of me. I'll put it backwards, I'll swing in like this, and I'll punch it to the side of the face with the palm. Okay, I've got rid of her. That person is going to be off their guard. Okay, I spin back this way. I've already got this foot forward. No, 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 just let me go. 1, 2, bang, I'm out of here. So this time you've got two aggressors. On the shoulder, she's going to put her right foot back, turn around with the block up, block that arm out of the way, and punch me on the side of the head. Then straight back to him, hands up to the side of the face, no, 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 let me go.
Why do you need that in there?
So right foot back, the opposite to what he's got, come up with a block and a punch. That's fantastic. That was really, really good. Feel that combo? It's almost natural.
Yeah, it is. It is quite good actually.
Then in with two punches, 1, 2, and kick. Great, and out of there. So I can already see that my wife started, she was very unfluent, very unsure of herself, and she was actually feeling vulnerable that if this happened. Already I can see a change in you. You're saying, okay, I've done it 3 or 4 times now, I'm getting more in control. Okay, so about whatever. So your opposite hand to what I've got you is the leg that you go, and you block and punch. Great, that was really fluent. Now you've already got the correct leg forward for the kick, so it's in with 2 jabs and 1 kick. Okay, and you're out of there. Yeah, so we're going to cut it off there. That was fantastic work. High five.
Please like, share, subscribe, make comment if you have any comment for us. And just remember, the real purpose we're doing this is to help you protect yourself and feel safe, and to help you protect those who are important to you if it's needed. We're not trying to turn you into wrestlers or boxers or street fighters. Just give you enough confidence that you can walk down the street and someone